Good morning. We have made it to Friday, lesson 100, simplifying decimal numbers. All right, so when we write numbers, we usually write them in simplest form. To simplify a number, we're going to change the form of the number, but we don't change the value of the number. For example, we have been simplifying fractions by reducing, right? Often we can simplify decimal numbers by removing unnecessary zeros. Now, in a real world situation, let's say that you're a biologist and you go to the Galapagos Islands and you are measuring a lizard. If you are measuring lizards to the nearest millimeter, you are going to want to keep those zeros, all right? So the zeros are important in some instances. In some instances, we can remove those unnecessary zeros. So just be mindful of what you're dealing with. All right, so we're going to talk about you get rid of the extra zeros. This makes me think of our Holes book. In front and back, keep the zero in front of the decimal. And then our third tip here, don't remove zeros in the middle. All right, and we'll look at what this means. So let's say that you have this. Okay, so if this is written down, you're going to get rid of any extra zeros in the front and the back, right? So that would be like this. What if you have what about that? Again, we're going to remove any extra zeros from the front. And 2, right? We'll look at a couple of examples, but I'm very confident that you'll do well with this lesson here. If I want to attach a 0 to the end of 5 without changing the value of the number, what would that look like? I want to attach a 0 to the end of the 5 without changing the value. Well, right now this is 50, so I've changed the value. If we attach a 0 to 5 without using a decimal point, we obviously get 50, which does not equal 5. So we're going to write the whole number 5 with a decimal point in between there, okay? For lesson practice, let's look at E. If we are adding these decimals, okay? When you are writing your answers for this lesson, if there are any unnecessary zeros, because this whole lesson is dealing with simplifying decimal numbers, please write your final answer knocking off any of those unnecessary zeros, okay? I've seen several times on your tests and different problems where you have written something like this after you've done a division problem. Okay, anytime you have an unnecessary zero, please don't leave it. Do your answer without the zero there, okay? Listen up for the problems you're going to need to do. Again, this is really easy with this simplifying decimal numbers. Just remember, if you don't need the zero, please do not write it in your final answer, okay? All right, for today's lesson, you are going to do all of the odd problems, okay? So all of the odd problems. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a great weekend.